name's Mike. My friends call me Mudguts, and I buy and sell things a lot on eBay. Not just eBay, I buy and sell things, well, on everything. Facebook Marketplace, Kijiji, eBay, of course. And I've been doing it probably, well over 20 years anyway. My dad was a bit of a wheeler dealer, and I became a bit of a wheeler dealer just by association, I guess. And that's what I really want to talk about today, just quickly. I was doing a lot of Uber Eats and Skip the Dishes videos, but then looking back at it, well, one, the insurance scared the hell out of me because I got a notice from my insurance saying, hey, we're not going to cover you if you're going to do this. So that put a kibosh on it. And secondly, the fact that I'm only making $13 or $15 an hour, maybe $19 if I was lucky, minus the cost of gas and everything, it just did not seem worth it. I mean, if you're working for 15 bucks an hour, well, then you're limiting yourself. That's all there is to it. I mean, you should go out there and you're worth a lot more than that. That's what I'm trying to say. And if you are working for 15 bucks an hour or less, and you have to deal with the public, they're gonna sense that you do not like working for that kind of money. And when they sense it, then they have a horrible experience. Your manager has a horrible experience, and all the shit rolls downhill, and you're the one that it rolls to. Do you understand that? So the point of this little video is that I like selling things. Like I have a 9-to-5 day job, and I love my 9-to-5 day job because it's based on commission. So I get paid to sell. I get paid on performance, which I think is the only way to sell. I mean, I don't mind having a base salary or a car allowance or anything else that goes with it, but I enjoy making the deal happen. And when I make the deal happen, I make the money. And when I make cash, it's not just for me, it's for my boss and my coworkers and to pay the rent, and I understand everything that goes into it. Now, when I do these videos and I'm selling on the side like I do, it's usually antiques or oddballs or electronics or video games, you know, things that I find as a hobby interesting. Or things that I find interesting, I guess, just myself. Like, I enjoy selling what I do Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, but selling what I do on the weekends and after hours, that's the kind of stuff that I just find interesting. And I think that when you find something interesting, then you pursue it as a passion. That's really what, you know, I think it shows. I think the people that you deal with, the people you're selling it to, the people that you have to deal with, see that it's a passion of yours, and they reflect that back to you. Because maybe it's a passion of theirs, and maybe they like talking to you about it. So that's why I do this. And I think that if you're watching these videos, that's why you probably do it too. If you're into buying and selling, then it's probably a bit of an addiction for you. And I think that I have a bit of an addiction to it. I don't like going a single day without selling something, whether it's through my regular job or through my hobby job. And that's probably why I own my website, consignmentsales.ca. And like I said, I've been doing this for years and years, and I've sold everything. I've sold disco balls to zebra prints, you know, everything, artwork and jewelry and mechanical rulers and cameras and those things you look at the stars with, telescopes. That's it. I have sold everything. Have I sold everything? Yeah, I pretty much sold everything. And just because I enjoy the high I get from sales. And that's it. I was thinking of making this this video a bit more daily, maybe not daily, maybe every couple of days. I just kind of want to focus on what I am selling and what I have sold, and I'm just curious what you think of that and if you will join me for the journey. So let me know. I got to get back to finishing the lawn here before the sun goes down, though it's a beautiful night. It's a really beautiful evening. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like these kind of videos, thumbs up. If not, thumbs down. I'm easy either way. We shall talk again soon, and I appreciate you spending some time with me. Thanks.